Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on subtitles for Instagram Reels, and trust me, once you use this feature, you'll wonder how you ever watched without it. So, why even turn on captions? Well, let's be honest, sometimes you're watching Reels in public, or in a quiet place where you don't want the audio blasting. Alright, here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open Instagram and find the reel you want to watch. Step 2. Tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen, usually on the right-hand side, just below the video. Step 3. From the menu that pops up, tap on Captions or Manage Captions. Sometimes the wording may vary slightly, but it's usually one of those two. Step 4. Now just toggle it on and you're good to go. Quick heads up, subtitles will only appear if the creator added them. Instagram doesn't automatically generate captions for every video, at least not yet, so if nothing shows up, it's not your fault. Pro tip: if you don't see the captions option at all, make sure your Instagram app is updated. It's also possible the feature hasn't rolled out to your region yet. And that's it. Super simple and super useful. Now tell me in the comments, do you prefer watching with captions on, or do you always watch with sound? If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.